warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. We are from Group 2 and we would like to read analytical text related to juggling. Without further ado, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Al-Rasis Sharan Koneri from Absent 2.
My name is Raditya Pratama from Absent 31.
My name is Muhammad Alif Salih from Absent 21.
My name is Muhammad Sadiq Istofaji from Absent 25.
My name is Muhammad Jafar Rashid from Absent 23.
And we have another member.
My name is Nabil Azhar Kananta, currently in the middle of nowhere.
Let's watch it!
Jaklingko is a public transportation program provided by government, especially in DKI Jakarta, serving as an urban mobility solution that has proven highly beneficial to the community, particularly for students, through an affordable for even free fare since zero tariff. Many students from elementary school to high school and even university level are familiar with and have used Jaklingko, often for commuting to school or engaging in other activities that require transport.
The facilities offered by Jaklingko enhance mobility, notably through the provision of numerous stop locations near residential area, which make it easier for students to transfer and travel. Furthermore, this program is considered highly beneficial for public journeys because it's affordable or Rp0 fare is far superior to online ride-hailing service or other public transport options, thereby assisting those who are concerned about expensive public transport fares.
The creation of Jaklingko yields numerous benefits that are felt by the community. Firstly, Jaklingko helps reduce traffic congestion and air pollution because a single Jaklingko bus unit can transport many passengers at once, thus reducing the intensity of private vehicles on the road, and this directly impacts the decrease in exhaust emissions and noise pollution in urban areas. Secondly, Jaklingko provides easy access to transportation with affordable, even free fares. Additionally, with numerous stop points and integrated routes, people can move more freely from one place to another without relying on private vehicles or more expensive online transports. Thirdly, the use of Jaklingko encourages a healthier and more environmentally friendly lifestyle while supporting the government's efforts to tackle Jakarta's congestion problems.
Although the existing effective card-based payment system simplifies journeys and the experience of using Jaklingko, the discourse or issues surrounding a fare increase poses a major concern. A fare hike is regrettable because Jaklingko is known for its cheap or fit tariff. The Rp0 tariff is very helpful, and the average user utilizes the service specifically because it is cheap and facilitates transportation for Jakarta residents. The main worry is that a fare increase could cause many people to switch back to private transport. However, an increase is deemed acceptable as long as the raised fare is not excessively high and the facilities provided are also upgraded correspondingly.
To support the use of public transportation, the younger generation must develop awareness of its importance. Using public transportation in a daily life is one way to reduce congestion. Furthermore, support must also come from the management through the provision of socialization regarding public transport, public sport, technical aspect, etc. As clear and effective outreach will certainly encourage many people to try and use it.
Overall, Jaklingko is a successful initiative that effectively facilitates student mobility in Jakarta. Yet, it faces the challenge of maintaining fare affordability. The sustainability of the system will ultimately depend on how the government handles the fare increase discourse, and the collective support from the younger generation to ensure Jaklingko remains an equitable, efficient, and environmentally friendly mobility solution.
Untuk Jaklingko sendiri, saya sangat mengucapkan
Saya tahu kok.
Jadi untuk yang pertama, saya pasti tahu Jaklingko itu apa.
Ya, studi saya tuh suka menggunakan Jack 105.
Saya tahu banget Jaklingko karena memang saya sering banget pakai untuk yang pastinya transportasi dari misal dari rumah saya ketika saya mau pergi ke misal halte kampung Melayu sendiri. Nah itu kan nanti kita bisa naik Jaklingko itu 106 ataupun bisa ketika saya mau ke Mall Basura itu bisa banget naik Jaklingko 105.
sejujurnya sangat memudahkan
pikir membantu sih.
Menurut saya sangat amat membantu.
Ya, izin menjawab. Jadi menurut saya itu sudah sangat membantu banget. Pertama kan kalau misal nih kita pulang sekolah, untuk kita kan sebagai pelajar mungkin sukanya pengen menabung atau apapun gitu kan. Nah, Jaklingko kan pada saat ini menggunakan tarif Rp0 atau gratis gitu. Jadi itu sangat bisa membantu keuangan saya gitu kan. Jadi untuk mingguan bisa buat tabungan, bisa buat hal-hal lain gitu, untuk hal barang-barang yang
Sangat terlihat. Menurut aku kelihatan banget ya.
ada dampak. Saya setuju yang di macetannya.
Menurut saya sangat amat mengurangi kemacetan karena yang pertama kan jadi orang naik Jaklingko kan, di Jaklingko kan gak cuma satu orang aja yang naik ya, kan banyak, jadi itu kayak mengurangi kemacetan dan beberapa hal lainnya lah di jalanan, jadi kayak lebih efektif aja pakai Jaklingko.
Sejujurnya saya kurang setuju.
Kalau menurut saya belajar itu enggak banget tuh.
Tarif segitu saya masih tetap menggunakan Jaklingko.
Menurut aku dengan kita menggunakan kartu yang gak usah ada isinya atau Rp0 sebenarnya itu sudah sangat membantu ya Kak. Apalagi sebagai kita anak remaja ataupun anak siswa-siswi yang tentunya kayak takut kepikiran dengan ongkos pulang. Apalagi kalau misalnya kita dengar banyak isu untuk menaikkan harga Jaklingko, tentunya menurut aku kayaknya sangat disayangkan ya Kak. Karena apalagi banyak pengguna dari Jaklingko tuh menggunakan Jaklingko karena tarifnya memang murah, dan menurut aku sebagai salah satu alat transportasi yang memudahkan warga DKI Jakarta, sangat disayangkan kalau misalnya harga dinaikkan, apalagi salah satu manfaatnya memang untuk mengurangi kemacetan Jakarta. Jadi kayaknya takutnya malah orang-orang tuh berpindah haluan dari Jaklingko ke hal-hal yang membuat crowded kemacetan.
That's all from us.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Ulang. Dua, tiga. That's all from us.
Thank you for watching, guys.